Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to easily deposit checks using the Bank of America mobile banking app, right from your smartphone or tablet. Firstly, open the Bank of America app and securely log in using your fingerprint for convenience. Next, find and select the Deposit Checks option. Now, sign the back of your check and write for deposit only at Bank of America. Then take photos of the front and back of the check by tapping the respective buttons. Select the account for the deposit, enter the amount and tap Next. So finally, review the details and hit Submit. You'll receive a confirmation that your deposit has been received. And that's it. You've successfully deposited a check using your mobile app of Bank of America. If you found this video helpful, give it up a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.